Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews and that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And whilst you're hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you consider hitting that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future uploads. Now with all that being said, let's crack on with today's video. So today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a Zara accessories haul. Now, I've never done a Zara's accessories haul. I've done quite a few Zara hauls, which I'm sure you've seen all over the YouTube. But because they are sometimes quite a popular one, I will leave links to that ones I've done in the description box down below. And I'll leave some cards throughout the video so you can check those out. Now, the way I was inspired to do this video, or at least go out and kind of check out what Zara had in the way of accessories, I was watching another YouTuber, of course, and she had this pearl set, and I've been looking for like a pearl sort of accessory, something a bit not too, I suppose, grown, but something that I could wear, like, you know, with my style, a little bit edgy now and again. So I went on to Zara and then I went down the rabbit hole because I thought, well, whilst I'm here, I might as well have a look to see what else I've got. So that's what I did. And I managed to pick up a few bits and bobs, so I wanted to share them with you. Okay. Anything I can still find or whatever's available still, I will make sure I leave them in the description box below so you can go and check it out. So without further ado, as they say, so I have them here. I can't actually I remember I got the pearl necklacey thing, I remember that, and a couple of things, but yeah, I've had this kind of sat round waiting in order to do this video. So I'm gonna unwrap. Oh, actually, okay, so they come in these little, little Zara bags, as you can see here. And what I'll do is I will see what it looks like on here with regards to close-ups and stuff. If it doesn't look that great, I will do some cutaways so you can see the detail a little bit more. Or what I'll do actually would probably be easier is throw up the images on the Zara website. Yeah, I'll do that way. It's good, easy for me and it's good for you. So it's a win-win. Yeah, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So first of all, which is this is what got me onto Zara's website in the first place, which is this like multiple pearl chain necklace. It's absolutely awesome. Again, it's really washed out, so you're not going to be able to see it, but it's got so many different kind of pearls on there. It's, like I say, it's washed out. Oh, but it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It clips on at the back. It's got a little clip there, you can see just about. And yeah, this was $29.99. Oh, actually, right, okay. It says size medium, but oh, I can't wait to wear this. See, I feel like this would look really nice even with this. I mean, it's a dress that I've got on, but obviously you can only see the top. But I feel like this would look really nice with that. For me, I'm thinking in my mind, white t-shirt, jeans, and I would wear this with like jeans and a white pair of trainers, sneakers, or I would wear it with a tee and maybe a denim skirt when it comes to the warmer weather. Or I would be able to wear this with a white plain shirt, you know, and again, either denim jeans or a denim skirt. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Well worth the money. As I say, I've not wore it yet, so I don't know how it will wear. But I am, and then next we have, again in another little Zara bag. I feel like Zara's changing up the way they package stuff actually. I bought a pair of shoes the other day and it's like, I don't know those of you that have bought Zara shoes in the past, they normally just come in a little bag like this. But the shoes that I bought, was it last week, they came in their actual box, like a shoe box. I mean, I am returning them, so you won't see them, but I was like, oh, I'm impressed with that. Anyway, so back to the accessories. Ooh, now this is a interesting one. Interesting. It is a necklace, and basically it has like zips, like the top end of a zip, which I thought was really nice. I thought this would be really nice, like choker wise. It's not a choker up here, but I feel like it's quite a nice little interesting detail on the, oh, I had it upside I had it upside down. So that's more like it, so you can see it now. So that's kind of what it looks like, and I thought this would look really good. Again, just what I'm trying to do is I do have quite a lot of costume jewellery, which is kind of a little quite delicate. So like this I've got on here, this is from Masoma, and I love this, but sometimes if I'm going out or kind of just want to dress up quite a simple outfit, I feel like accessories can do that. So I wanted to invest in a few pieces, nothing too crazy, but I just wanted to see what I liked, what I didn't like, and that way if I think about investing in maybe better quality in the future, then I've got an idea of what I like. So, but I liked the idea of this with the different colour metals on it. So obviously it's got your gold and it's got your silver. But yeah, this was $22.99, so I don't think it's a bad price. I feel like it's going to be quite noisy, but oh well, oh well. And then next we have another necklace. Now this one, I just really loved it. And when you see it, you'll know why. If you've watched my videos for a while, you know my kind of love for like just edge, and I don't know, this just screams Anthea to me. I love the fact that the actual lock is kind of on an angle. I love silver. Silver's kind of the colour that I tend to gravitate more to. I do wear gold every now and again, but I tend to wear a lot more silver. So I love the this isn't too much of a shiny silver. Like my Tiffany bracelets are quite shiny, quite blingy, whereas this, although the lights on it makes it look a little bit more shiny than it is, this metal is kind of looks like it is distressed. It honestly, oh my god, I can't wait to wear it. And even the like clip at the back, can you see that? Look at it. That in itself is chunky. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Oh, this was $17.99. Oh, I love this. I love this. I mean, I've not tried it on, but I feel like this is my favourite one. This is one that I feel like I would gravitate to like just every day, because it is that simple, and it's not over the top. Oh, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which one do you think, or which one so far is your favourite? Oh, which one will you be going onto the Zara website to check out for further details? Because, oh, ooh. The next, what do we have here? Okay, I see where you was going with this, Anthea. So this is something, again, very different for me. I tend to go with either hoops or, you know, I like to dress up my ears. But I saw these and I thought, okay, let me give them a whirl. So these are some earrings, and as you can see, kind of very similar to the necklace I've just shown you with the zips. They are a pierced ear, so they're not clips, but I thought they were quite interesting. Yeah, I thought they were quite an interesting earring. So yeah, just to just change things up a little bit. I feel like I gravitate to the same earrings all the time, and I do tend to have my hair back a lot of the time, and sometimes I think, you know what, I'd like more of an interesting ear. I don't want anything too dangly and extra, but I thought this would be a nice introductory start to trying to jazz up, you know, just like an everyday look. Yeah, I don't feel like they feel too weighty. But yeah, you can zip them up. Zoop. Zoop. Ooh, and then another pair of earrings. Now these are very different, so hopefully you can see them. As I say, I will be putting them up on screen so you'll be able to see them a lot better than what I'm showing you with these mega bright lights I have here. But these, again, I just thought cute, different. Never seen anything like this before, and I liked the fact that they're a slight drop, Again, not anything too over the top. I've got a little bit of a bling in there with their fake diamond. I'm not opposed to the real one if someone wants to get me one, but at the minute I'm dealing with the, you know, diamond eco, whatever this is, crystal. So yeah, I'm fine with that. But again, I just thought this was like a nice little interesting piece to add to my collection. These were $15.99, so again, not a bad price. I think the necklaces were more expensive than the earrings, but as I say, I've never bought any earrings from Zara. I do have maybe a belt and another like rose choker that I bought a few months back, but I don't tend to go on to Zara for accessories, but I feel like they've got some decent ones on there. So if you are interested on maybe picking some new stuff up, I would definitely suggest you going onto the Zara website to see what they've got. There probably will be something on there, you know, quite reasonably priced that you might be interested in. What I will do as well, I'll leave some of the other bits and bobs that I think you might like, or that I liked, that you might be interested in as well. So I'll leave those as well in the description box for you to check out. Okay. So that, my lovelies, is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, like I say, let me know in the comment section below which of them are your favourite, which ones do you like, and if there's anything on the Zara website that you think I might like. If you want to throw a link down there in the comment section, more than happy to check it out. And as I say, I will leave some links to some of the other bits and bobs that I've seen on the website that I think you guys might be interested in. I think that concludes my very first Zara accessories haul. I think, yeah, I'd say no more, say no more. So yes, if you did make it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I very much appreciate it. Please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. The channel is growing. I am very thankful for everybody out there who watches my videos, who share my videos, and who subscribe to my channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Very much appreciated. So please, as I say, make sure you subscribe before you leave. Thumbs it up. Any questions or comments, please do leave them in the comment section down below. I will leave some of my previous videos on the end of this for you to peruse. And without further ado, I'm going to head off because I'm quite hungry now, and I'm going to go and get something to eat. I hope you're having a fantastic day, evening, weekend, week, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See ya.